Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Sergo James Davis, together with
Oracho Francis. In today's episode, we are going to have a quiz and we will be challenged by our quiz master to test our knowledge.
And the loser will have to take this nested solution of sugar and salt.
How many colors are in the rainbow? James?
7.
Yes, correct. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. True or false? Electrons are smaller than atoms. James?
True.
Correct. Atoms are building blocks, but are made up of electrons, which are much smaller. What is the study of mushrooms called?
Mycology.
This is a student of biology. That is in biology. Oracho is a student of biology.
But still,
That's one.
does sound travel faster in the air or in water? James?
Sound travels faster in air.
No. Water. Solid? Does it travel in air, faster, or in solid? Sound. Does sound travel faster in solid?
First
or
and
in air?
solids. The particles of solids are close than in air. So it
So-
travels faster in particles or in substances whose particles are close to each other. The propagation.
Okay.
Which oath of ethics taken by doctors is named after an ancient Greek physician? Yes.
Doctor's Code of Conduct.
Sorry, it's the Hippocratic Oath.
Oh.
Why do every doctor in every country?
Okay.
How I will not eliminate and do this? What does DNA stand for? Francis?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Yes, Francis. What is a material that will not carry an electric charge called? Francis?
Insulator.
Yes.
That is true.
Yes.
On which continent will you not find bees? Yes, Francis?
Antarctica.
Okay, you are at Antarctica.
Yes.
Why?
Why won't you find bees? Life is not sustainable.
It is
for bees.
cold.
There are no flowers. Antarctica, you know Antarctica?
As a continent, right?
Yes.
At the poles.
Okay.
True or false? Chameleons change colors only to blend into their environment. James?
True.
Sorry. False.
Only. It had an
Chameleons
issue
also
only.
change.
Oh, I did put that into only.
Chameleons also change colors for other reasons, like regulate body temperature, when feeling vibration, and when feeling
That is true.
excited.
That is true.
Okay.
From which body part does the majority of your body heat escape? Yes, James?
The skin.
This is a trick question. You lose heat evenly throughout your body.
How? I said the skin.
Yes. Some people think it. Hey, you said skin.
Yes.
Okay. Let me give you that one. How many teeth does an adult human have? Yes.
Very true.
You can count. Maybe then. How many bones are in the human body?
206 adults. Yeah.
What part of the human body serves the purpose of maintaining balance? James?
The ear.
Huh?
Is it one ear or
The ears.
Wait, what?
on a technicality you can remove the ear? What is the only planet that spins clockwise? Francis?
The Earth.
It is Venus. It's the only planet in our solar system that spins clockwise. The others are anti-clockwise. What is the biggest planet in our solar system?
It's Jupiter.
Which is the closest planet to the sun?
Mercury.
Okay, James, Mr. Phillips.
I'm not good at thinking of planets.
How many Earth days does it take to complete 1 day in 1 year in Venus? A. 100 days. B. 201 days. C. 351 days. And D. 243 days.
243.
Correct. 43. Which of these animals has fingerprints that closely resemble a human's fingerprints? A. Monkey. B. Chimpanzee. C. Gorilla. And D. Koala.
B.
James? So sadly, in this case, it's the koala. Where are the longest and strongest bones in the body located?
The longest bone is the femur, but it's located
In which body part?
the thigh.
Okay. What do you call material that does not conduct heat? James.
That insulator.
Points to James. For the last question. Are we ready?
Yes.
We are ready.
The winner takes it all.
Yes.
Who painted the Sistine Chapel of the Vatican? Francis?
Michelangelo.
And Francis takes the quiz for today. Well done,
I
Francis.
tried to get it because one, he reads the Bible too much, and
Michelangelo is not in the Bible.
and no, it is connected to the chapel. So, so I think.
Yes,
What's in there? Oh my god.
That's enough.
That was our quiz for today with James and Francis. The winner for today's quiz was Francis. As you could see, he didn't take this nasty drink. I am Nicholas, your quiz master for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun and educative content. Bye.